When you make the most out of what's in your pantry, you end up with a dish like this: onion skin fried pickles. You know, one of the smartest things that you can do as a home cook is just check what you already have before you go grocery shopping. And in this case, I've got tons of onions, so I'm gonna peel them as you already do. But you can stretch those onion peels. So I'm adding them into a blender with a little bit of flour, a pinch of salt, and then of course, a ton of beautiful hot sauce, because why not? And then I'm going in with the beer. This is a local one. Chef's tax. All right, blitz all that up until it's just coming together. You don't want to over mix it. Beautiful. It should kind of look like pancake batter. Cool. Then next, grab your pickles and slice them into bite-sized pieces. And do not throw away that pickle juice. All right, I'm tossing all my pickles into a little bit of flour, shaking off the excess, and then right into that onion skin batter. Give the whole thing a little mess around and then drop them one by one into some oil. I really like canola oil for this. Just a clean, neutral oil works perfectly. And all of this extra batter, this is gold. You can drizzle it in and it just becomes extra little crunchy bits. Just listen to that sizzle. GBD, golden, brown, and delicious. Now for a little dipping sauce. Yeah, it'd be crazy not to have a dipping sauce for these pickles. So we're actually using Aquafaba, which is the liquid that beans are stored in their cans, and you can whip it up. And remember that pickle juice? That's gonna be our little acid pop. So just give a splash of that right in. Then using an Immersion blender, I blitz the entire thing. I slowly stream in some neutral oil, avocado oil, canola oil, any of those will work. This is like making an aioli or a mayonnaise. It's really simple. We even had some sad herbs that I just cut up really, really finely, and I'm almost making like a little ranch situation here. Add all of your whipped aquafaba into a little cup, add all the herbs, and then maybe even shake in some dried herbs too, because those two things really play well together. Lots of black pepper, a pinch of salt, mix the entire thing together. And this, I have to tell you, was transcendent. Make them now. When you shop smart and make the most out of your pantry staples, you end up with amazing food like this. For more tips and tricks, head to usefoodwell.org. These are coming with me.